Hey guys, today I have a quick little video all about a gift. This is a gift that I bought for someone that is getting married and they didn't make a wedding registry. So you know what? I just bought whatever I wanted. I didn't stress about it. I didn't worry about it. I just bought the thing that I thought was cool. And if I had a use for it, I would totally buy it. But let me show you what I got. Oh, before we get into the details, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my other social media links down below, and it's Vlogmas. So definitely check out my playlist. I do have a Vlogmas playlist that you can check out with all of the other days, and will contain the future ones as well, once the future happens and becomes the present. Okay, so on to the video. This is what I bought. It is a, what do they call this? I got this from Amazon. It's from Enhance. It is from enhancegaming.com. And it is a RPG travel case. Oh, I was gonna read the part in French, but I'm not gonna do that because I don't speak French. So it is a RPG travel case. And this I just thought was really cool. It's for like, you know, gaming, like tabletop gaming and stuff. I'm holding it backwards. This is it. Yes, so I just thought it was really cool. It's for tabletop gaming. He goes, well, they both go, I guess. I don't know if it's like a couples thing or not. Like I'm not invited, so I don't know. But they do like I think they do Pathfinder or they do D&D 5e. They used to do one, maybe they do the other. I don't remember what they do. But anyway, so I thought this would be really cool because they actually play in person. I personally play only online because I live far away from everyone that I know. So here we go. He plays in person. So I thought that this bag would be really cute to get because it has a lot of different compartments and it's specifically made for gaming. So it's really cute. I like the color. I think the symbols are really neat. I guess that's the enhanced symbol, I would assume. But it's got like this like brass, dark, rusty gold color, and all of the zippers have that as well. But on the, I guess you don't, yeah, you do. So on the top portion here, you have a flap that has a place to put all of your figures. And I was gonna put my figures in, but I couldn't find them. Like I said, I haven't played in person in a long time. We just play online. We use Roll20. We use Roll20. So I have not done anything in person in a long time, so I haven't really had a use for my figure. And honestly, I only had one figure, and I don't think I ever painted it. Or, no, I did paint it, but I think I broke it? I don't know. I don't remember what happened to it, but I know my husband has one or two, and I couldn't find them. So I was gonna put them in here to show you, but I don't know where they are. Anyway, it's a really cool like foam padded situation, which I guess you could take out if you wanted. But it's got like, it's foam so they like won't break, unlike us who keep our figures in our dice bag, which definitely is probably the reason why mine broke. And why I can't find it. Also, my husband has the dice bag in his car. So I can't show you that either, but that's okay. So the zipper on here is okay. Like, this bag was pretty expensive. I think this bag was $84. And I mean, it's a nice bag. Like, it's got good weight. It's got like a sturdy bottom. Like the zippers and everything are like metal with like really cool designs on them. And it has like a lot of neat features, like the foam top part for your figures. But I don't know, honestly, if it's worth that much, but it is really cool and very unique. I mean, you're not gonna really find too many other things like this. So then the second compartment here, you can unzip, has the strap in here. So you can carry it like on the sides, it's got hooks. So you could carry it with a strap or you could just use the handle, depending on your preference. But also in this one, it has the space for books, which I did find the books. So I'll show you, you know, that they can fit in there. These are the books that we have. We have a are they both Pathfinder? No, this one is a Pathfinder book because we did play Pathfinder for a while, and then we switched over to D&D 5e. Anyway, so I have two books, two different games, but I mean, it's all the same, isn't it? So you've got Dungeons and Dragons and this one, which I am not giving to him because I'm pretty sure he already has them. These are mine. but I just wanted to show you that they would fit in this bag, like how they would fit. So you can like put them in here, do one in that section, one in that section. Yeah, so you can fit, I think it said 5 on the website, but you could probably squeeze another one in there if you wanted to. But yeah, it's kind of cool. It's got like this protective barrier between if you know, keep them separated and so they don't fall out. But I thought that was neat. The bottom thing here does unzip, and it has a place where you could put pens, pencils, paper, character sheets, whatever you want. I mean, it's a bag. You can put anything in anything. It doesn't, there's no rules. On the sides, it's got 2 of these kinds of zippers. There's one on the other side as well. And this I thought would be nice. You know, you could put your dice in there, or a notepad, or, you know, whatever. I mean, I think it's just, oh my God. Honestly, it, you know, comes down to personal preference. But yeah, that's exactly the same. It's just an empty pouch. On the bottom here, it has these things where you could put like a mat if you do the mat sort of situation, if you know what I'm talking about. That's what this bottom part is for. And yeah, that's basically the bag. So overall, I think this is a really nice bag. The handle is also padded. It's a really nice bag. I think it's really, I was gonna say cute, but I think it is cute, but also, I mean, I guess it's kind of got like manly features, so you don't feel like you're lugging a purse around, or maybe you want to. It's kind of got like a briefcase sort of vibe as well, which I thought was really cool. But yeah, so this is decorative. It's actually a magnetic closure down here. Yeah, it's magnetic. But I just thought this was a really cool bag. I thought it was something that, you know, they would be able to use since they actually play in person. And, you know, if you don't give me a registry, I'm just gonna buy whatever I feel like. And I thought this was cool and I wanted to see what it looked like. So yeah, so that is the bag here. I will be packing that up into a, I bought a bag for the wedding, but I don't know if this will fit in it. And I didn't want to wrap it, but I might have to wrap it. So I bought wrapping paper too, just in case. But I hate wrapping. I just rather put it in a bag because I hate it. Anyway, the only time I buy things to actually wrap things, so normally I just use leftover bags. But I don't think I have any leftover wedding bags because that was quite some time ago for us. So anyway, this is the bag. I thought it was really cool and neat, and I think it would be very useful, like if you did play out of, you know, if you did travel to someone else's house to play. Also, I think it would just be nice, you know, cool for storage at your own house too. If you didn't have like a ton of books, you could definitely keep them in here, or just keep the ones, you know, that you think that you will use in here just for general storage. Yeah, I just think it's really cool just to have your own like D&D case or whatever case if you play Pathfinder or whatever. So that is my video for today. I do hope you guys did enjoy that video. It's a little bit different. I don't think I've ever talked about Dungeons & Dragons before on my channel. But yeah, so that's a cool bag I thought might be a good gift idea if you know someone that is into tabletop gaming. So definitely don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, check out all my social media links down below, check out tomorrow for a new episode of Vlogmas, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!